I stand before you with a grateful, blessed heart. Thank you for loving me and allowing me to part here. I promise you and stand by your side to every joy that life brings.
May lakas ng loob para tanggapin yung magiging anak. Kumbaga, para tanggapin niya as akin, may lakas ng loob na sumubok sa ganun. Yung nag-umpisa sa mga asaran dati, palitan ng kanta sa video, okay. Eto at nag-uumpisa naman tayo sa buhay na nila pray natin dati na hindi na sobrang small world para sa atin. Parehas tayong nasanay na maging strong and in the knowing dahin at panindigan. Thank you kasi kahit lagi ka, alam ko naman na ginagawa niyo rin yung best niyo lagi. Kasi hindi nyo pinahirapan si Tito Mac.
Lagi ako nasa tabi mo, tsaka ni Mama. Huwag ka mag-alala, pamilya, hindi ko kayo iwanan ni Mama. Mahal na mahal ko kayo.
Siyempre, hindi namin ikaw pababayaan ng kapatid mo. Kung past, nakaraan na yon. Ang importante yung ngayon, mabuhay tayo ng magkakasama at masaya.
Yes, I do.
Heart beats faster, but my soul feels still. Every lie,
We're always here.
is a promise I'll never break. Every breath I breathe is a vow I'll awake. You're the dream.
This is it. Prayer natin. Lagi natin sinahir. Parehas natin pinagsa. And
Faithful, but love sees through. Hands and tears. It's your
Patient and faithful and promise to love and care for Bonnie.
every breath.
sobrang thankful and thank you sa lahat ng pag-intindi, pagtiwala mo sa akin at toyo ko. Thank you then for always being there when I need you. I never knew was possible.
Heavens witness what we found.
But I promise to be someone they can trust, depend on, and living in happiness. Today, I choose you as my wife, my best friend, and my partner for life. Together with God, I will continue to
Is a vow
true.
forever stars. I want you.
Mama, at sa lahat. Oh my God! Congrats, Besh! From your own small world na napili namin. Minsan naalala ko ang dami naming okasyon at ang dami naming mga lakad. Pero ununan at naisama mo na sa tahimik mong mundo ang buhay namin laging maingay at masaya.
Carla, here present, for it of our Holy Mother.
Yes, I do.
Hindi naman laging okay lahat. Araw na at oras na yon, sana laging nating balikan yung araw na pinili natin yung isa't isa. Ano man ang ibato sa atin ng buhay, laging nating kayanin yun ng magkasama. At dahil lahat ng ito ay galing sa Kanya. Lahat ng bagay, uunawain at mamahalin. I love you and forever starts today.
It's chemical. It's chemical.